Determining if your email is successful or not is an important part of email marketing. If you don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, there's the early results email. Once your campaign is sent, the first place to look at your stats is in that email. It gives you a quick glimpse into your performance within the first 48 hours. Next, there's the email details page. The email details page will give you a comprehensive report of the email's results. Click on the name of your sent email to see its statistics. You'll be able to drill down into the opens, bounces, etc. Use the heat map to check out where in your email your contacts are clicking the most. This information can tell you a lot about what your contacts like and what to include when you're creating the next email. Then there's always the reporting tab. On the reporting tab, you'll see results for all of the emails you've sent. Scroll down to the email campaigns table and click on any of the hyperlinked numbers to drill down into the report you want to see. Now that you have a better idea of how previous emails did, take what you've learned and apply it to future emails. Here are some quick thoughts. Are your open rates lower than what you expected? Check them against your industry average. Don't worry about low numbers until you compare your results to your industry. You're probably doing just fine. Try a rewrite of your subject line using best practices and these helpful tips for writing great subject lines. You can then try to resend the email to those who didn't open it and see if the new subject line improves things. Clean up your lists on a regular basis. Your sign-up forms and other list growth tools will continue to bring in new contacts, so be sure that they're organized properly. Helping you get better results with crucial reporting tools from Constant Contact.